Son of a bitch. What the hell? Son of a bitch. How y'all doing out there? Sammie Salammie right here. Sammie Salammie, I'm wearing this ugly ass hat. I'm wearing this ugly hat right here. I don't believe it. My friend Pete wakes me up at 6 o'clock a.m. in the morning. Actually, it was 6:02 and 42 seconds early in the morning. It's still dark out in the morning. He says, Sammie, you ain't getting this slit small liquor today. He says, Sammie, you're not getting a McDonald's hamburger today. But you know what you are getting, you sons of bitch? You're going to get a bike ride. That's what you're going to do. He says, you and me, we're going to go out and ride our bikes downtown Moab, Utah. Beautiful. He didn't tell me it was 31 and a half degrees outside when it was still son of a bitch and dark. Wakes me up from a beautiful dream I was having about my lovely, luscious daughter, Cutie Pie. Wakes me up from the dream. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? I'm at his begging mercy. I ain't got nowhere else to go. Can I say beautiful hat? I could say ugly hat. I could say this damn hat's killing me and it's time to get it off, you son of a bitch. Oh my God, look at this. Got me wearing safety glasses out on the trail. Got me wearing safety glasses. Let Sammie get his hat off. How y'all doing today? We got a situation, folks. We got a deal that says, you know what? Let me get my beautiful hat here. This is my captain's hat, by the way. Sammie Salammie's had this hat for like 37 years. This is a 37-year-old hat. Let me get that adjusted Sammie cam. He won't even buy me a new camera, the son of a bitch. We got a situation out there that says hell no. Beautiful hat. Look at that. Got my colonel stripes on here, my little, what do they call these? Can someone tell me? That's not a stripe, that's just what do they call that? I got that on my hat here, my Schlitz Small Liquor beautiful captain's hat that I've had for 36 years. How y'all doing? This is Sammie Salammie, and I went on a big bike ride today. I had a lot of fun bike riding. It was a beautiful trip. We went bike riding downtown Moab. We saw the beautiful city. Made me go up these big giant hills like this. Real big. I'm going like this fast up that hill. When I got up to the top, I had to stop and I got off and I started coughing and hacking and I said, my friend Pete, what are you trying to do? You're trying to kill the other guy. He says, Sammie, shut the fuck up and get back on that bicycle and follow me. So that's what I did. I said, my beautiful hat ain't beautiful. I'm getting a headache. Shut the hell up, you sons of bitches. Where's Sammie Salammie been lately? Let me tell you where I've been. I've been down out of Miami. I just got back about a week ago from Miami. What a hell of a place, Miami. Beautiful. Beautiful women, beautiful beaches, beautiful weather. And Sammie Salammie's back for the holidays. My friend Pete said, Sammie, we got to get a couple videos made. We got to get a couple. This is holiday week. We got to make a Halloween video. We got to get a Thanksgiving video. We got to do a Christmas video about baby Jesus. I said, son of a bitch, you're wearing me out. I'm going to make all these videos at your expense, not mine. But then on the other hand, it's at my expense. I hate this ugly hat, but you know what? It reminds me of my previous life before I met my friend Pete. I used to drink Schlitz Small Liquor. That's what I used to drink. I used to be the colonel of Schlitz Small Liquor. I was the king of Schlitz Small Liquor. Until my friend Pete met me and he made me stop. I've known that cocksucker now for what, 10 years? 10 years of knowing this son of a bitch, and he treats me like a little baby child is what he does. Treats me like a baby child and says, Sammie, you're not eating no more McDonald's hamburgers, it's bad for you. You're not drinking no more beer over here. Because if you do, you can't advertise my videos, you sons of bitches. You cocksucker bastards, what you are. But what do I got to do? Let me go ahead and get this hat off, because I love this hat. Don't get me wrong, this is a beautiful hat. But the problem we have with this hat, it's not that beautiful. And it's not bringing me into the right situation that possibly this hat could be right here. Hell yes, how y'all doing today? Sammie Salammie, straight out of Miami, you cocksucker. And I'm going to tell you right now that if you're down on your luck and you don't know what the hell's going on, get up off your ass. Do that. Get up off your ass and do yourself a square deal. Pull a stick out of your ass, or if you got a corn cob in there, shit it out. Do what you got to do. And when you're done, get her done doing right, because if you're not doing it right, you're not doing it all. I made that up. My friend Pete didn't do that. Everything that you hear that this guy, my friend Pete, that's me. I'm the back guy. I'm the guy in the back lot, behind the back 40, hidden in the closets, you know, out there, down in the basements with the computers. I'm that guy hiding that's coming up with all this stuff, this comical, digitized stuff that my friend Pete thinks he's the one that's got to do. Let me tell y'all something, people. Being Sammie Salammie is a hard job. It's a hard job because I got to try to please everybody. And when you're in a position like how you like my hat, it's beautiful, people. I've got a red hat on today. I got all these beautiful hats. My friend Pete bought these hats for me. Look at that beautiful brim right there. I mean, I think it's even got, does it got red underneath? Oh, hell yes, you son of a bitch. We're going to go outside. We're going to do a little walking around with Sammie Salammie out in the shop. My friend Pete's still out riding bicycles. Let's go out in the shop and I'm going to do a little explanation of what my friend Pete thinks I'm going to do out in the shop. But he's full of shit because I'm not going to do it. He can stick it in his own ass and go fuck up as far as I'm here to edit videos. I'm not here to work out in the shop. So let's go out there and I'm going to kind of show you around and let you know the skinny situation of the skinny guy versus the big pompous ass job. How does that sound to you? Son of a bitch, you cocksucker, bastard, and everything else that goes in between. Hell yes, baby. So here we are out here at my friend Pete's shop, and we got a beautiful job in the shop here. It's called a Corvette. Now, the Corvette's a beautiful car. It's a beautiful, I used to have a beautiful Corvette like that. You can believe Sammie Salammie, okay? If Sammie Salammie says he had a Corvette, believe me, he had a Corvette. It was a beautiful car, but I had to sell the son of a bitch is what I had to do, and I had to get rid of it. So what we got here, we got this beautiful, beautiful one-owner 1969 Corvette. The guy's gonna make himself a big block job out of this. Gonna get a big block 454 job. Gonna put that in there, gonna make his wife happy. She's gonna be a happy camper when she gets in. Gonna be a trailer queen though. Gonna be a trailer queen, gonna be a show car. He's only gonna drive that thing on nice days. He's already told me, let me show you the situation we got. Look at this shit. Here's some bitch I had to ride right there. My friend Pete had me out there riding this piece of shit out there, going about 36 miles an hour because he said, Sammie, you gotta keep up with me. And if you can't keep up with me, then you ain't worth a shit, you sons of bitches. That's what he told me, my beautiful hat. He said, leave your damn hat here, you cocksucker. Leave it here, because this is what you're gonna be doing. So I put like 15 or 18, 27 miles on that thing, and let me tell you what, it wore me out. I'll tell you what, that son of a bitch right there, that damn seat, you can take that seat and throw it in the trash. That thing was climbing up my ass like a corn cob. It was climbing up my ass like a 2x4. And he wants me to ride this thing 30 miles? Are you shitting me, guy? Are you shitting me? Keep your bicycle riding. I ain't doing it no more. Take it and go up your ass with it like I was doing with that seat, because it just ain't gonna happen anymore for old Sammie Salammie. Hell no, you cocksucker. So we got the Corvette. We already talked about it. Do we gotta go any further? It needs to be painted, okay? It's a fucking car. I'm gonna be making videos about this car. I'm gonna be making so many videos about it. I'm gonna get sick and tired of looking at this ugly thing. I'm the edit guy. I'm the guy that makes all the videos. Don't you think I get tired of looking at this bullshit? Don't you think I get tired of seeing the same old bullshit day in and day out? In and out and in, up and down, sideways, left and right? Hell yes, I get tired of it. It's bullshit. Like I got to keep making videos of the same damn thing. Minnie the body shop girl got herself a present in the mail. It's a beautiful present. She got a present from a guy out there. I believe his name's David or Dan or some bullshit crap like that. But the cocksucker sent a cookie maker out here, and it works beautiful. She's cooked about 10 batches of cookies. Of course, not my kind of cookie. Not the cookie that I like. She ain't cooking that cookie. But what she did is cook some cookies up, and I ate a couple of them cookies, and those cookies were pretty good. So whatever the hell your name is out there, buddy, I don't know what the fuck your name is. Thank you from Sammie Salammie, because I appreciate that. We had to move it. We had that thing sitting over on the table over there. We were baking up cookies and having a cookie party. We had to move it from over there because my friend Pete's got this corner all jacked up and hot rodded out, doing quarter panels and inner fender wells and floor extensions and all kinds of bullshit going on this car. And hopefully this guy's going to come through and get this piece of shit out of the shop. We don't know, but hopefully it's going to happen. And I'm just doing a little walk around trying to show you the situation, trying to tell you all the angles of it, and giving you the complications of the job, kind of like this piece of shit right here, this quarter panel that's aftermarket. But I'm not going to tell you that because that's my situation. I'm the guy that came up with the aftermarket bullshit. I'm the guy that tells my friend Pete what to say. It's me, not him. He's not coming up with all this shit. He asked me for consultation on everything he says before he says it. Believe it or not, that's the truth. That's the honest fucking truth. I swear on a stack of that big of a stack of cookie machines, that's the truth. It's the truth. Trust me. It's all me, not him. He's just a fucking guy in front of the camera, that cocksucker. So we're out here on a Sunday, not doing much, that's for damn sure. We went bike riding, we had a hell of a time, and I just gave you a walk around. I kind of gave you the walk around. I showed you what the fuck's going on here. We got other cars over on the other, but I'm not going over there. It's not gonna happen today. I'm not doing it. You can fuck yourself. I ain't walking over there. I don't give a shit. It's just another bullshit old junker car that needs to be restored for these people. I'm the other guy. I don't give a fuck what kind of car it is. It doesn't matter to me if it's a damn Yugo. I don't give a shit. So we got the holidays coming up. Oh, son of a bitch. Beautiful hat. My friend Pete got my heart beating real fast over this shit. This bicycle ride. It's actually pretty good for you, but the deal is it's wearing me out. I'd rather sit here and wear my beautiful hat. How y'all doing out there? Sammie Salammie, straight out of Miami. You cocksucker, loving every minute out. I can't say straight out of Moab because it doesn't go with Sammie Salammie. I can't say Sammie Salammie, beautiful hat, straight out of Moab. What the fuck does that mean? What the hell? What does that mean? Okay, that doesn't mean nothing. Sammie Salammie, straight out of Miami. You see the click? You see the difference in what's really going on over here? Do you see the actual deal? Let me tell you, cocksucker, something here. We got the holidays coming up, and it's going to be a ball buster of a holiday. We got Thanksgiving coming up. Anybody that gets on the stick right now and pulls the stick out of their ass and gets in gear might possibly get a turkey for Christmas. They say there's a shortage of them. There's a shortage of turkeys. We got Halloween coming up. My friend Pete says he wants to do a nice juicy Halloween video, a little horror story about some caveman guy, or some cannibalistic caveman guy. We got that. We don't know if it's going to happen or not. It might be undercover situation. It might come up next year. We don't know. It all depends on if that sumbitch leaves me alone and lets me do my job. Christmas, what about it? Baby Jesus, we love baby Jesus. We love Christmas. We like to celebrate baby Jesus' birthday. We love it. From what I understand, Santa Claus is going to be making a little visit over here. He's a hell of a cocksucker. We've seen him a few times over here at SWRC's. We've seen him sneaking in the shop and dropping presents off and rubbing his asshole because he's got fucking hemorrhoids. We've seen all that. What else can we say about Santa Claus? I don't know, but I'm sure my friend Pete's got something up his damn sleeve besides his arm. I don't know. This is Sammie Salammie, straight out of Miami, you cocksucker. And let me tell you something, if you ain't wearing a beautiful hat, you ain't shit, bitch. I don't care what anybody says, everybody's got to own a beautiful hat someday, sometime, somewhere. If you ain't got the beautiful hat, then get off your ass, go out there and do something so you can buy a beautiful hat, just like Sammie Salammie, and be somebody, you cocksucker son of a bitch bastard, two-ball bitch, motherfucker standing on the corner, doing what you got to do to make a living type situation. Did I say it all? Did I get it all in there? I don't know if I did. I got cocksucker, I got two-ball bitch, I got bastard, and I can keep going on, but why should I? We'll see you later. Take it easy, Sammie Salammie. Straight out of Miami. Beautiful hat right here. I'm going to be in Miami soon, but until those days come, I'm right here at SWRC Southwest Rods and Customs with my friend Minnie the Body Shop Girl, and I hope you stick around and stay with us as well. Take it easy. We'll see you later, you cocksucker motherfucking bastard son of a bitch.